I've done this last year, but we're going to do it again. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com in 2019 AACA Fall Meet in Hershey, Pennsylvania. We are checking out the mid-teens. This is a 16 Dodge touring car. It's 4-cylinder. The one thing which I wanted to point out was the very intricate turn signal. This is extremely high-tech. Would you like to demonstrate your high-tech turn signal?
Yep.
Now, of course, most of you do not know how to signal a turn signal unless you're a New Yorker, and those are not actually polite signals that you give us when you drive. This is a more polite way to signal your intentions.
This is a interstate signal. Columbus, Ohio, patent March 15th, 1921.
1921. So this is a new device.
When it's like this, you're going normal. There's the first position, which would be here, which if you had your hand signals would be for stopping.
Right, correct.
And the second position is here, and that means you're going to turn.
Very good.
Then you may have to let somebody know which way you're going to turn. I've seen others that are like this that have a fourth position, which would come up, and that would be the right-hand turn.
Ah, very good.
This was a maybe an earlier model or something when they didn't do this.
Yeah.
They just did this.
But this
just to let you know what you're not going straight or something, and also you're stopping because back then they didn't have any
stoplights.
They didn't have any stoplights either.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that is brilliant. That is excellent. I wonder how effective it was, though, because it seems
depends on if they're paying attention.
Yeah.
The other drivers.
Well, look at it this way: they're not fussing with the radio or playing on their cell phones.
That's true. Yeah. That's right.
That's not too bad.
Not texting at that time, no.
No, but the horse behind you might get a little bit impatient.
Yes.
Definitely. This is wonderful. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Great demonstration. And now you know when you're driving down the road and you see this little red thing sticking out, you know what to do. 1919 Chevy 490. These were bare bones cars, absolutely bare bones cars. They don't even have a valve cover. I mean, it is fantastic, fantastic. It was sold for $510. It's supposed to be sold for $490, but they had to put an mandatory optional starter motor on it. So they sold it for $510. Henry responded by dropping the price of the Model T, but meanwhile, this little Chevy did so well that the stock went through the roof, and Durant was able to buy General Motors back with Chevy stock. Great little car. Rear brakes only. Again, these are very early, 1919. We've got a 1913 Buick touring car over here. Now, if you notice also, you've got the electric headlights over there, you've got gas headlights. These are actually acetylene. You would open your headlight over there and light it. With a match, yes. Hence gas and brass runs. Gas referring to headlights, and brass as we're going to see right here. This is the brass section, but I'm going to save that for another video. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 AACA Fall Meet in Hershey, Pennsylvania. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.